Hello, do you know you can write your literature review automatically using AI? Welcome to today's session. We'll be teaching you on how to use Jenni AI to automatically generate your literature review. Note, you must own every single thing you generate. You must own it. What do we mean by owning it? You have to rewrite it. You have to make it your own. You have to include your knowledge. You have to include your knowledge in it. Read through it, rewrite it, impute your human intelligence. That intelligence for which you are known for. Okay, you can log into Jenni AI using your Google account or any other email address you may want to use. I prefer to use my Google account to log in. Now I'm logged in. Now let's ask Jenni AI to help us generate literature review for the topic innovative cooperative farming model in Nigeria. So we type it in there and we have it like this. It starts generating. You can see it's working. Now it has generated a topic for us and a couple of outlines. So you see Nigeria's innovative cooperative farming literature review. The first heading there is innovative cooperative farming model, an overview. Now it is suggesting the content of each of these subheading for us. Any suggestion he makes, you can just accept it. So you accept it, it drops down, it will make another suggestion. If you note this, you see it is booting, which means it's thinking. So it has suggested another one again. He said, in this literature review, we will examine the concept of innovative cooperative farming model in Nigeria. We will explore the impact of alternative methods and policies on the agro-industrial complex system, focusing on initiatives such as developing organic agriculture and growing all that. I can't see it all, but I accept it. I like the concept. Now, once you accept it, it drops it. But there's something about writing this. Most of us are concerned, especially when you write academic document, about citation. This is what it keeps doing for you. It will keep suggesting the content and you keep accepting. Once you accept it, it will drop it in there. Now, look at the subheadings it has generated for us. The next subheading is agricultural landscape in Nigeria, historical evolution of cooperative farming in Nigeria, challenges facing cooperative farming, and so on and so forth. You can see it has generated a whole lot. You can use all of them or you can reject some. But let's continue with the content. Now, this content have been generated. How do you now cite it? Because as academics, you don't just write things, you cite them. You put the author and the year of publication. So to do that, simply just highlight a particular work that it has suggested, and you will see this pop up, this something like a menu here. You will see cite. So click on cite. You say add a citation. So you click on cite, and because your system is connected to the internet, it quickly tells you where it found that that suggested content for you. You can see it. You got it from this place. So you can say add citation, and it will generally add it for you. Look at it, has added it here automatically. Okay, you can see that, and you can keep doing this for your entire write-up. Now I've dropped down here. It's going to suggest others for me. You see, it keeps suggesting. Now you see it, non-GMO product. So we can easily move this citation later to where we want it to be. So as you like, you can accept this. This is what you can keep doing until you have automatically generated the content of your literature review. So you see, Jenni AI is a wonderful tool to use. But like I keep saying, every academic must own whatever write-up he or she intends to publish. What do we mean by owning it? You must intelligently read through, you must intelligently edit it, intelligently impute your own knowledge into it to make it your own. Or else, what you are reproducing is an AI written academic work. But we don't want that. We want you to write it by yourself. Now, we're asking you to use this because it will help you kickstart your write-up. It will give you an idea of outlines that could possibly come out from your topic, from your research topic. So you see the subheading it has suggested, you can reduce them, you can accept some of them as the case may be. Also note that it also comes up with a reference if you have upgraded to a paid version. You can also use different styles for referencing the APA 7 edition, the MLA 9, Harvard, IEE, depending on the particular referencing style you are using. Now, for those that are not using the paid version, I can easily show you how to use it. While you are trying to generate citations, for example, this is one. You can highlight something like this and ask for citation, and it shows you your citation. Now it has showed you the citation here. Look at the citation. Look at where it got the content from. All right. This is a little old, 1982. That is a little old, so we may not accept that. Take note of your schools or your academic bodies year for referencing. If it is works that are beyond 10 years, works that are beyond 15 years may not be accepted. So you have to take note of that. So whatever the case is, if for example this is the particular work you want to cite, you can easily copy it out yourself. You can see, copy it out and save it in a notepad by the side and use it, because Jenni has a maximum of 200 words per day for those that have not subscribed for its paid version. All right, thank you for listening. Do well to click the notification button if you like the content of this video. Thank you for listening.